So today we're going to know about the 40 basic English sentences or phrases which you can use every single day, everywhere, right? So let's get started. This is the basic English phrases for introducing yourself and making the friends, right? So here's this thing. Hey, I'm Chagan. And you? It's like, hey, I'm this, and you? Like, hey, I'm Rebecca, and you? And he says, I'm this. Nice to meet you. And then you say, nice to meet you. So, like, hey Rebecca, I'm glad. You can say, I'm Chad, I'm glad. Right? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Right? And you say, nice to meet you too. And then you started talking like, where are you from? Where are you from? Repeat after me. Where are you from? It means like when you say, in the previous sentence you says, nice to meet you. Sarigo. So where are you from? And says, I am from Spain, I'm from Nigeria. This is like that, right? And then you say next word is, what do you do? It's a simple conversation, right? What do you do, Kathleen? And he says, I work at the university as a financial specialist, and I work as a scientist, and whatever the profession is, they will tell you. Right? And the next is like, what do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do? Repeat. What do you like to do? So Kathleen, what do you like to do in your free time? She says, I love to read and to garden. I picked 2 buckets of tomatoes last week. I picked 2 garden milaka, right? Went to the garden, right? What's your phone number? What is your phone number? What's your phone number? You can say again, right? You might also hear people use this casual thing like, can I get your phone number, please? It's like that. You can also use it. It would be great. And you say that the person like, it would be great if we meet again somewhere else or sometime. What's your phone number? It would be great if we meet again sometime. What's your phone number? In this modern time, you can say, do you have Facebook or Instagram? So let's keep in touch. Do you have a Facebook? Do you have an Instagram? Do you have a Snapchat? It's like that. Now the words for everywhere you can use, right? The phrases. Thanks so much. Thanks so much, right? Thanks so much, and then just for this, right? Thank you so much. Yeah, thanks so much for the birthday money. Thanks so much for driving me home. Thanks so much for letting me do this. It's like this. Like, I really appreciate this. I really appreciate this. Right? I really appreciate your help. Thanks so much for cooking dinner. I really appreciate it. That's how we are connecting these 2 sentences. Thanks so much for cooking dinner. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much. I really appreciate your cooking dinner. Same sentence we can say in this different word. It's just like, excuse me. You say, excuse me, sir. You drop your wallet. Excuse me, sir. You drop your wallet. Excuse me. Do you know what time it is? Excuse me. Do you know what time it is? Repeat after me. With me, you can say. Repeat with me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for being late. I'm sorry for being so late. I'm sorry for posting YouTube videos late. I'm sorry for the mess I have created. I'm sorry for the mess. I was not expecting anyone today. Right? His house is totally shattered. And you can say, really, I'm really sorry. I did not invite you to the party. This is when you really feel some regrets. What do you think? What do you think? I'm not sure if we should paint the room yellow or blue. What do you think? How does that sound? How does that sound? We could have dinner at 6 and then go to a movie. How does that sound? Let's hire a band to play music and Brandon can photograph that event. How does that sound? How's my idea? That sounds great. This is you use daily, right? My mom is baking cookies this afternoon. We could go to my house and eat some. How does that sound? That sounds great. Fantastic. Let's go. Never mind. Are you going to the grocery store today? No, I'm not. But why? Do you need something? Oh, never mind. It is okay. I'll go tomorrow. Basic English phrases for learning English. Okay? Let's start. I'm learning English. My name is Sophie and I'm learning English. I'm learning English. I don't understand. I do not understand. Sorry, I do not understand. The US Electoral College seems very confusing. Sorry, I don't understand. Could you please repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? And you don't use this word repeat again. And we have discussed in our shorts video. So subscribe the now for more such. Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? Could you repeat that, please? And you are definitely talking to me like, could you please talk slower? Could you please talk slower? You can give us a call any weekday from 8 to 5 at the 55208 blah 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 blah. I'm sorry, could you please talk slower? It's like, thank you. That helps a lot. Thank you, that helps a lot. After someone starts speaking more slowly for you, right? Ben, could you please make the font bigger? It's hard for me to read the words. Sure, I will change it from size 10 to 16. How's this? Thank you for that. Helps a lot. That helps a lot. That means a lot, you can say. What does blank mean? What does font mean? You say, what does water means? It's like that. How do you spell that? How do you spell that? My name is Roberta Handkerchief. How do you spell that? You say, I don't know. What do you mean? The Smiths, do you have a really nice house? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm going to USA. What do you mean? It's like that. Basic English phrases for shopping. Can you help me? Can you help me? I cannot find what I want. Excuse me? Can you help me in figuring out? And you say like someone like, I'm looking for a bag. I'm looking for a fray or something like, excuse me, I'm looking for a winter coat. I'm looking for a snowboards. Can you help me? Do you have this in a different color? Do you have this shirt in a different color? I don't like this shade of red. Do you have this in a different color? Does this bowl come in a different color? This does not match my kitchen. I don't know my size. I don't know my size. I don't know my size. Can you help me? I want to buy a shirt, but I don't know my size. I need this in a size. Da, 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 da. I need this in a size 10, please. This is too large. I need this in a size of 5. Where can I find this? Where can I find balls? Where can I find shirts? Customer, where can I find black olives? And sales clerk says, they are on the side 10 near the pickles. Customer, where can I find a bag of almonds? They are in the baking section on aisle 7. Okay. How much does this? Yeah, that cost. I need to buy a toaster. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Let's use this word generally. How much does this cost? How much does this chocolate costs? How much does this cake costs? How much does this shirt cost? How much is that lamp over there? How much is that lamp over there? How much is lamp that over there? I do not need a bag. No, thank you. I don't need a bag. I can just carry it. No, thank you. I don't need a bag. I can just carry it. I don't need a bag. I bought my own with me. I don't need a bag. I bought my own with me. Can someone help me carrying this out? This is too heavy for me. Can someone help me carry this out? Can someone help me carry this out? Can you please help me? Can someone help me carry this out? Can I have this delivered? Can I have this delivered to my house? This refrigerator is perfect. Can I have delivered this? Can I have this delivered next Tuesday? Mr. English, you were at your work, right? How can I help you? Hello, this is Rebecca speaking. How can I help you? You know with my voice that I have a cold. This is also, I have a cold and I have to take some tablets, medicine. I will be with you in a moment. Good morning, I will be with you in a moment. What time is our meeting? What time is our meeting on Wednesday? What time is our meeting on Wednesday? Please call me at da 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 da. Please call me back at da 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 da. Thank you. Oh really? Actually, I thought da 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 da. So Sam is coming tonight, right? Actually, I thought he was not coming to the party or week. Okay, I will have to look at this schedule again. When is the deadline? When is the deadline? A deadline is a date. I need you to write a sales report. I need to write you a sales report. When is the deadline? I need it by next Tuesday. I'm just about to send those faxes. I'm about to go and pick up some coffee. Do you want anything? Just going. I'm about to pick up the call. I'm about to call. I'm about to call police. This is the words you can use, and that's all in this video. 40 short phrases you can use daily in your English speaking language. And want such sort of content, subscribe now for more. Thanks. Bye bye.